Do you want to do better at school? Do you want to improve your score at school? Then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to pass in all of your classes, how to get straight A's, tips, tricks, and more. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is a video on how to improve your score on your exams and how to just get better at school than you already are. So yeah, you can get straight A's if you watch this video because this video covers it all up. So if you are new to my channel and if you haven't already done so, then make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell, and follow me on my Instagram at Samriddhi Awasthi and on Twitter at Samriddhi07. If you have any queries, you can simply contact me on Instagram and Twitter, and let's just get started. So the very first thing to get better at school is to choose the right subjects. Now if you have an optional subject, suppose your third language, which is French or Sanskrit, so like choose wisely which subject you would actually be good at. And if you like have to choose between commerce, science and arts, I know some people who take like commerce and science and then switch to arts because they could not do it, it was too hard for them. So be sure to take what you're taking, not like me who took maths and now I'm regretting my decision. So make sure to keep that in mind. Choose the right subjects which you actually have interest in and you are good at. It will help you a lot in the long run. The second step is to determine your goals. Now do not set goals that you cannot achieve at the given time. So now suppose if you're failing on a subject, then do not like set a goal to get an A+ on that exam because you probably won't if you're failing. So if you're failing, then maybe set a goal to get a C, or if you're getting a D, then make sure to set a goal like getting a C or a B, or if you're getting a B, then you can like change it up to getting an A. But that's how it basically works. Set the goals which you actually can achieve and not something which is just a dream and you will not be able to achieve it. Because if your goal is unattainable, you're basically setting yourself up for disappointment and you do not want that. The third step is to believe in yourself. Now telling yourself that you cannot do something or that it is too hard or I just don't want to do it, tell yourself that you can do. As great leaders say, believing in yourself is the best way to achieve something that you want. Actually, I made that up myself, but hey, it actually works. So make sure that you believe in yourself and trust your instincts. It's super important. Even on an exam, make sure you trust your instincts. The fourth step is to revise before your class. When something is being taught in your class, make sure to read it beforehand, like even before the teacher has started to teach that topic. If you revise that beforehand, like before everyone has started to learn that, you'll definitely score better because you'll understand better in your class because you already know a lot of things. That's why it's super important to revise before your class, and trust me, this will definitely help you in scoring better. It truly works, but make sure you use it the right way. Just learn before your class, sit in your classes, understand whatever the teacher is saying, and just go and give your exam and you'll definitely like 100% score better. The fifth step is to attend all of your classes and your school. Now trust me, we all think that we know probably more than the teachers there, and like we know everything and we're the smartest kids around and like we're so intelligent. We don't need teachers, we don't need school. I was like that. I don't know about you, but I was definitely like that. But you know what, going to school and attending the classes will definitely help your score get like a lot better. Like if you're scoring 50% and if you attend school every single day and you do not put any extra effort, just like attend school and attend all the classes, your score will go from 50% to a 70% like that, like without even doing anything, just going to school and attending all the classes. Because school just basically gives an environment and classes are super important. The teachers teach the things which are actually important and which actually will be there on the exam. Nowadays you don't have to go to school, you have to sit at home and you have to attend the classes, but make sure you actually attend the classes, not just like lay around while the class is going on, like play video games on a separate tab while the teacher is teaching something. Do not do that. Attend your classes fully, like with full on concentration and very focused like that. Yeah, that basically works. Now the sixth step is one of the most important ones, is to be productive and to not procrastinate. Now productivity is basically the key to scoring better. So what I do for increasing my productivity is use Skillshare. I would like to thank Skillshare for sponsoring this video. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people. You can explore new skills or deepen your existing passions and get lost in your creativity. Skillshare offers creative classes designed for real life and all the circumstances that come with it. These classes can help you stay inspired, express yourself, and introduce you to a community of millions. It will help you stay inspired and motivated. Whenever you are anxious, you can take classes that will help you in self-discovery. Drawing, writing, journaling classes can be a great way to help you manage your stress, practice mindfulness, and stay connected to one another. Some interesting classes are productivity classes, and you guys always ask me how I edit my videos. You can learn that. You can learn how to edit your videos there, how to make good thumbnails, how to attract more views. Everything related to that on Skillshare. You basically name it and you get it on Skillshare. I have taken the Productivity Masterclass, Create a Custom System That Works by Thomas Frank, and it has literally helped me so much in my productivity. It has helped me stay on track with my life and stay productive even in these tough times. Skillshare is specifically created for learners like you, which means there are no ads, and they're always launching new premium classes so that you can stay focused and follow wherever your creativity takes you. Plus, it's less than $10 a month for an annual subscription, which is like good for students like us. 1,000 people who click the link in the description box below will get a 2-month free trial of premium Skillshare so that you can explore your creativity. Thank you so much, Skillshare, for partnering with me. I truly love Skillshare. And move on to the next one. Seventh tip is to not cram. Now cramming is basically ratification in Hindi, but cramming is just like mugging up all the answers one day before the exam. No, you do not need to do that. Do not do that. Just learn like it's important to you. You actually want to learn it, not just score marks, because if you just want to score marks, you will not score marks. It does not work that way. You have to actually learn what the topic is saying, what the teacher is telling you, and what the topic is basically about, not just like tup, just mug it up and like go and give your exam and basically just fail. You do not want that, so do not do that. The sixth thing is to respect your teachers. I know students who do not respect their teachers. Guys, come on, that's not nice. You need to respect your teachers, because like no matter how strict they are doing this for your well-being. Like they want you to score better, they want you to get better in life. I know some teachers can be a little rude and can be a little mean, but if you are in the good list of your teachers, like they'll definitely give you more marks, because they see the name on the exam paper and then they mark accordingly. Yeah, that happens. Not on the board exams obviously, but your internal scores will count. So make sure you are in the good books of your teachers. The ninth step is to start studying at least a week before your actual exam. So suppose your exam is on Saturday, so you should start studying at least a week before that, like on Monday maybe. Start studying on Monday. That will definitely help you. It will help you stay organized, and you can schedule your topics according to that. Focus on one topic at a time and just score better at the end, instead of just spending an entire night before the exam mugging up things and just like failing the exam the next day or scoring very less marks. You do not want that, right? Start studying a week before and you will definitely see the difference. Now the 10th thing is to be confident. Confidence is the key. No matter how well you're prepared, if you don't have the confidence that what you're writing is correct or what you're writing is the right thing, then you will not be able to score better. Like when there are external examinations and teachers come and ask you questions, the oral ones, and even if you are confident and you like say the wrong answer, there's more chance that you will get some marks instead of saying the right answer and not being confident, if that makes sense. But being confident is the key. Be confident and make sure that what you're writing you think is correct, even if it is not. Confidence will definitely help you. So that was all for this video, guys. I really hope you all like it. Now these tips are definitely foolproof. I have tested them out. They definitely work, and I have like said definitely in this video like 100 times, but I am that sure that these tips will work and you will start scoring from like 40% to 90% if you work on these tips and if you like prepare yourself that way. If you guys like this video and if you found it helpful in any way, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Follow me on my Instagram at Samriddhi Awasthi and on my Twitter at Samriddhi07. Make sure to click the link in the description box below to avail 2-month free of Skillshare Premium, and you can attend your favorite classes. So that's all, and I'll see you guys on Saturday with a brand new video. Bye.